everyone, it's Purnima and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something which I think a lot of people deal with. Isn't it odd that we tend to believe in other people's opinion about us rather than doing what is important for us and what we actually need? Don't you find it difficult to share your opinion in public? Don't we feel scared of losing our place in social circle if we don't live up to a certain level of perfection? The thing is, human beings keep craving attention, acceptance and appraisal. Being a social animal, we feel a need to listen to what other people think or say about us. But caring about what other people think isn't an inbuilt characteristic. This is what we are taught since beginning. A voice in our head keeps chiming. Don't do this, don't overshare, don't talk like this isn't proper, what people say about you, and so on. When we lack confidence, one of the biggest things that we fear is what other people think of us. We have a hard time being ourselves because we fear their judgment, criticism, and opinion. We fear that they won't like us, accept us, or approve of us. Obviously, we shouldn't do that because this is a major reason for our unhappiness. I'll tell you exactly why we shouldn't care what other people think. First, we are unable to focus on our own growth and progress, and it consumes our thinking because our mind is always figuring out what other people are thinking, which is always an unsolved question. Second, we don't remain ourselves. We keep pretending to be something or someone else. We create a superficial image and we don't feel comfortable in our own skin. Instead of loving ourselves, we keep thinking what other people think about us. This is actually a kind of disrespect to ourselves. So let's talk about 5 ways to stop thinking what other people think about us. First, don't explain yourself. Stop being a people pleaser. That doesn't mean that we should be arrogant. Instead, do whatever you think is right for you. Your opinion of yourself should count the most. People understand according to their mind and thinking, so do not explain yourself. Second, stop glorifying perfection. Decide what's best for you instead of comparing to others. Stop thinking of how successful a person is or how beautiful or smart a person is. Think about how smart you are and what is best for you. Learn to accept and love your imperfection because, after all, nobody is perfect, but everybody is worthy the way they are. And don't take things personally. It happens that when someone shares Facebook status or Instagram story that we feel is about us or somehow relates to some of our characteristics, then we start taking it personally and start feeling bad about ourselves. But these are our own perception about those things. And even if they are actually saying something about us, that is their own different perception. Ultimately, what matters is what we think about ourselves. That will manifest in our life. Fourth, we don't have any control over other people's thinking. When people judge us on a certain issue, it is actually something that is the problem in their life. It is their mindset. It is how they think. And we need to accept we can't change it. As they have insecurities, they judge others based on them. So the judgments which they are passing are the reflection of their own insecurities. So their judgments don't matter because those are not authentic. So no need to get paranoid with other people's thinking. Fifth, love and accept yourself. If we keep thinking about what other people are thinking or that they are judging us in some way, we are just feeding our insecurities. We actually need to clean our insecurities, not let them keep growing. And love those parts of ourselves that need healing. We don't need to be certain way or perfect in some way to be beautiful. We are worthy as we are, including all the flaws. So I hope this helps. I also keep working on these aspects. Do let me know if this works for you also. As always, like, share and subscribe. Bye.